Good morning to everyone. Today we are starting with the scene 4, and that is the scene at the courtroom. Yesterday we discussed about all the complaints of water sources. So today we'll be talking about the court scene. So now everybody can be played by more than one actor. So in the court it is said that everybody it can be played by more than one actor, and they should symbolize means they should represent one body and one voice. And water sources can be scattered means they can be placed in various directions across the stage wherever the stage is set, because it is a play, so there is a stage. Chaos in the room. Chaos means complete confusion, because everybody is also there and all the water sources are also there. Now the scene starts. The judge says both parties will be given a chance to present their case. Whenever there is a case filed in the court, the judge gives the chance to both the parties. So now the voters started shouting in protest. Protest means when you are putting an objection. Suppose if somebody is is speaking about something and you just want to protest it, you are not agreeing with it. So you can protest, you can just give an objection for it. So what did the water say? The water said, water, water everywhere, not a drop to drink. He's saying that water is everywhere, but there is not a drop to drink. Water, water everywhere. Everybody needs to think. Again, water is saying that there is water everywhere, but we need to think. What we need to think? That water nowhere. If water is nowhere, then we are at the brink, means we are at the edge of trouble. We'll be in trouble. So now when the water spoke, the judge said, order, order. Today is my court. Today is my court and the case of water sources versus. Versus means against. It means the case is against the water sources, all the water sources, and everybody will be heard. He said, I'm going to listen to everybody and I'll give chance to both the parties to present their case. So he said, who is going to start first? So the first one who started in the court was water. And what did he say? He said, my lord, we have to stop a supply. We are not going to supply water to people. Why? Because everybody is just unfair to us. Everybody is not using the water properly. We are being misused because we don't have enough water. And if this way everybody will use, then one time will come when there will be no water. So now the objection was there from everybody, and he said, objection. My lord, it is not our fault. They said, this is not our fault. This is not something that we have done wrong. And by saying this, he pointed somebody. Now somebody is who? It is a character in this play who is representing everything that we blame for our own mistakes. Somebody is a character who is that he blames for our own mistakes. It is somebody's fault. He said that it is not our fault, it is somebody's fault. It means he is blaming one of the water resources only. So now somebody, the one who is somebody in the character, he again objected and he said, my lord, everybody always says that it is somebody's fault, but I am sorry this time, because this time it is everybody's fault. It means it is fault of mankind. So everybody has to answer. Now, the judge said, everybody, do you have anything to say in your defense? Defense means in your protection. Why protection? Because somebody is again blaming everybody. So he's saying, do you have any point to say in your favor? So now everybody said, yes, my lord. We want to know why and how are we responsible for this problem. So the mankind said that the people, it is a character. So he said, I just want to know that why are we at fault? So now the water said, what did the water say? I would like to call upon water tap as my first witness. So he's saying the first one which will tell us about the problems is water tap. So water tap was called there, And then water tap started speaking. And what did he say? He said, I am tired of my life. I am exhausted because every day for every single thing people say, just turn the tap on. What do people this do? They just turn on the tap and they always leave me on longer than they needed to. And they just turn on the tap and the water is just going down the drain. The water of the tap is wasted. Again, the water said, my lord, we are being wasted. If we are using water needed, the quantity of water that we need, if we use it properly, then there will be no scarcity of water. But if we are wasting, then what will happen? One day we will not get water. We have to suffer them. So we get mixed up with waste and feel more wasted. So you can see here, clean water is being mixed with this dirty water. And then this water is of no use. So when you are turning on the taps for longer time, you can see this tap is on and the water is running and it is getting mixed with this messy water. And all the chemicals from this factories are also put in this water. So now this water is becoming useless. It is of no use. So he's what the water is saying, that we are being wasted. Why we are being wasted? Because we are mixed with waste and we feel more wasted. We are becoming of no use. And after so many years of waste, how can we save water for everybody? We have to stop this thing. Everybody is now silent because this is the fault which is done by all the people, and they started looking down. Now the judge gave the chance to everybody and he said, do you want to say something, everybody? So everybody said yes. Some of us do not realize, they do not feel that what they are doing. We may have been wasting water, but we also know that water is indispensable. Indispensable means it is too important to do without. It is too important to do without it. Now the judge said, water, do you have anything more to say? He said, do you have anything more to say in your favor? So again, it was the turn of rainfall. Rainfall is also a source of water. So rainfall said, my lord, everybody lets me fall on the roads. Whenever there is rainfall, what do we see? That the water falls, rainfall falls, and it moves on the ground, and it is just wasting, it is just flowing uselessly, and it makes a big mess. Even in cities, he said, I could be used to water plants. My water could be, rainfall water can be used to water plants, to wash vehicles, and if purified. Purified means made clean or pure by removing all the dirts and harmful matter. And it said, the water said, if it is purified for them, not for me. If purified, it is for them. It is not for me. That water will be used by everyone. Now everybody said, we might have become a little indifferent. Indifferent means having no interest in something. He said we might have become like this, that we are having no interest in anything. But we love the rain. So do not stop raining for us. He said maybe do not understand the importance of rainfall, but please do not stop rain because we love the rainfall. We will save water, we will save that rainwater and we will reuse it. Now the judge said, we will have to wait and see. Water, any other problem? So now it was the turn of water bottle, and you can see it is saying, don't waste me. Here you can see the water bottle is saying, don't waste me. Why it is saying so? Because you must have seen that small students, small children, what do? They just take some sip and then they just waste that water, and then again they fill that water bottle. Again they fill it, again they take some sips and then they throw that water. So water bottle is saying, everybody, I must bring to your notice, I must put this to your attention, that you have no idea how you waste me. So many times, only a few sips are taken and then I am thrown away. So if everybody could drink as much as they want and recharge the ground with the extra water. So the water body, what did the water bottle said? That everybody must drink only that amount of water which they want to drink, and rest they should put it on the ground to recharge it and with whatever extra water they have. Now everybody said yes. What did they say? Yes, we will have to rethink. We have to think about it again. The way we live our lives, the way we are using water, the way we are wasting water. Judge. And then he said, Judge, what did he say? Good. And you should write this point. Now there was a question from land also. Land means earth. And the land said, I am not water. I am not a water resource. But I too want to become a part of this conversation. I too become a part of this problem. And he said, all the water that is being used is being stored by me. Whatever water is being used by everybody, that I store. And if everybody uses too much water, if they'll use water in huge amount, then what will happen? And waste it. Then I will not have, my water will be finished. So I will not have water to give anymore. I can recycle water a little bit. He said, I can recycle the water. But that process of recycling needs a long time. So he requested everybody to plant trees and water those plants. And he said to use water wisely. He said, you should use water as much as you need. So I can keep providing people with water. Everybody, we will take note of that. We will take note of that means we will just keep this thing in our mind and we will just be on your points. We will just remember your points and we will follow that. Now groundwater said, I have something to say. You don't forget to recharge your phones, do you? So now groundwater said to the everybody that whenever your battery is low, your mobile's battery is low, what do? You just plug in and you just start recharging your phone. Second, whenever you feel hungry, you recharge your body by eating. So when you remember to recharge your phone, you remember to recharge your body, then why don't you remember to recharge your ground or you recharge your water sources? So if he's saying, if I dry up, what will happen? You all will dry. So he's saying, if you will not recharge me, what will happen? I will dry up and I will not be recharged. I will have no more water and rainfalls is not enough. Only rainfall is not enough because it is not like every whole year it is raining. It is only in the time of season. So whenever it rains, what you have to do? You can try and give some of that rainwater to me and I will use it to recharge myself. I will use that rainwater to recharge myself. Also, if you are throwing any spare or wastewater, any spare means any extra or any wastewater, try throwing it on the ground, not on the soil. He said you should try to throw it on the ground. Land here, pointing towards land. He pointed towards land and said that land here will store it up and give it to me, and then you can take it back whenever you need it. This way I have more water and you will also have more water. Now everybody said we really have been selfish. Means we are only serving ourselves. Please give us another chance. We will look after you like you have looked after us. So he said you give us another chance and we will look same as you are looking for us. Now the judge said, now it's completely up to you. Water, as far as I can see, most of your points cannot be defended by everybody. Means he said whatever points you have said, they cannot be protected by everybody. I have to let you have the final say. He said, I want that you tell me finally that what do you want to say. So water said, thank you, my lord. It is evident. Evident means it is clear that everybody is guilty. So the water said that from all these points, it is clear that everybody is guilty. Guilty means responsible for a specific wrongdoing, means everybody is guilty that they are doing something wrong and they are responsible for that. We are grateful, we are feeling thankful because someone has done something kind for you. Grateful means feeling thankful when somebody is doing something kind to you. So he said, we are thankful that you have listened to us. He is thankful to the judge that he has listened to us, to them. But we hope that this situation doesn't arise again. But he is saying that we are hopeful that this situation should not come again. We would like to flow. What does water wants? Water wants that we should flow free, clean and happy. And we want to see a green, clean and pure planet. We want that our planet on which we are living, Earth, should be clean, it should be pure and it should be green. Everybody, we will be bored without you and we want to be there for you. He said if nobody is on the planet, then the water resources will also get bored. So he only wanted that everybody should be there and just treat us wisely and kindly. He said, just treat us wisely means just treat us as much as you need and treat us kindly. Do not waste water. Use it wisely. Now everybody said, you have my word for it. Water, thank you for trusting us. In the end, everybody thanked water and said, you just trust us and will be on your words. We are not going to waste it. We will use wisely and we will use it kindly. So this was all about today's chapter.